Today I'm going to learn you how to add PDF viewer in your web page. So let's start. First I'm going to plugin and add a new plugin and write a embed press. Here is the plugin that we use for PDF viewer. Click on install now. Installation complete. Now active the plugin, and now I'm going to page, and here is the contact page. So I want to put in contact page. Click on edit with Elementor, and I want to put the PDF viewer this section. Create a flex box, and this flex box is full width, and now I'm going to add a element right here, embed. You want to see the embed page PDF is now available in widgets. Simply drag this one, and so I want to add document file and upload the file. Previously I uploaded this document, so I want to add this. Select and simply some design I want to put here. Height is 600 pixel, and now you can see here is the powered by embedded page. So I want to remove this one. Here is the powered by option, that is show. So simply I off this, hide this, and you can see here is the good design for this embedded PDF. So now I want to publish this page, and now simply I visit the page, the contact page, and you can see here is the PDF option. Here is the PDF option in the page view. Don't forget subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.